Hey there, welcome back to Digital Minds. Are you tired of hitting the snooze button and starting your day feeling sluggish? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're going to discuss 5 powerful ways to boost your motivation in the morning and kickstart your day with energy and enthusiasm. Before we dive into these strategies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our tips for a better life. Now, let's get started. Start with a morning routine. The first and perhaps most crucial way to boost your morning motivation is by establishing a solid morning routine. This sets the tone for the rest of your day. Create a schedule that includes activities like exercise, meditation, journaling, or even just enjoying a healthy breakfast. Stick to it consistently, and you'll be amazed at how much more motivated you feel each morning. Set inspiring goals. Having a clear sense of purpose can be a powerful motivator. Take some time each morning to review your goals and aspirations. Write them down, visualize your success, and let that drive you to take action. Setting inspiring goals gives your mornings a sense of purpose and direction. Get moving. Physical activity in the morning is like a shot of motivation straight to your veins. Whether it's a quick workout, a brisk walk, or some yoga stretches, exercise releases endorphins, which boost your mood and motivation. It also increases your energy levels, making you more alert and ready to tackle the day. Practice mindfulness. Another fantastic way to boost your morning motivation is through mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing exercises. These techniques help you stay grounded, reduce stress, and improve focus. Just a few minutes of mindfulness in the morning can set a positive tone for your entire day. Fuel your body and mind. Last but not least, don't underestimate the power of a nutritious breakfast. A balanced meal in the morning provides your body and brain with the essential nutrients they need to function optimally. Foods like whole grains, fruits, and proteins can help improve your cognitive function and keep you motivated throughout the day. So there you have it, 5 effective ways to boost your morning motivation. Remember, it's all about setting the right tone for your day and creating habits that support your goals and well-being. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which of these strategies you'll be incorporating into your morning routine. And as always, stay motivated and make the most of each and every day. Thanks for tuning in to Digital Minds. Until next time, have an amazing morning and a fantastic day.